Now I am going to explain the poem. First of all, you should have a pen and write down the meanings of some new words, okay, or the difficult words. So in the first line, first of all, you are having prance. Prance means moving, okay, and screen means the canvas or the piece of cloth on which Aunt Jennifer has embroidered. And in the second line we are having topaz. Actually topaz, what is topaz? Topaz is a gem that is used in jewelry, okay, especially in finger rings. So, and denizens means the citizens or the dwellers, or word of green means the forest, okay. And in this poem, they, third line, they word is used for tigers, so you should write down tiger here. And then again in the fourth line, pace, again pace means move, stepping. And sleek, silverlick, certainty, it means with full dignity, okay, with full. Sleek, silverlick means, sleek means smooth, silverlick means full of dignity, and certainty means full of confidence. So these are the meanings. You must write down in your book, okay. It will this will help to understand the poem in a better way. So I am going to start the poem. Writer has created one character, Aunt Jennifer, and here Aunt Jennifer has done some woven work or embroidery work. She has created one scene of forest, okay, where the tigers are also moving, and the characteristics of the tigers are, they are of bright color, having the strips, and their color is bright as well as yellowish. So topaz is representing here the yellowish color of the tigers, and these tigers are the citizens of the green world, means they are living in the forest, and they are not having any fear of anyone, means some men are also drawn there or woven by Aunt Jennifer, but the tigers are not having any fear from the human beings, because tigers are the symbol of liberty and bravery and strength. So they are moving in a very smooth way, in a very dignified way, with full of confidence. Now I am going to start second stanza. You should write the meanings. So the first line is fluttering. Fluttering means shaking, okay. Wool means the thread that is used by Aunt Jennifer to have the embroidery, okay. And here is the ivory. Ivory means the teeth of elephant. And then in third line, massive. Massive means very heavy. Or wedding band means, this is the sign of marriage. Wedding band means a bond of love and care. And yes, so these are the meanings. Now the explanation, that Aunt Jennifer, when she was having the work of embroidery, she was she was creating the tigers. At that time, she had to pull the needle again and again through the cloth or the canvas. At that time, her fingers were fluttering because she might be nervous and she might be under pressure because of the responsibility of the house. And even she was feeling very hard even to pull the needle through the cloth, and perhaps it is happening because of the heavy burden of the household responsibilities. Uncle might be not good, and he might be very harsh, only ordering, and that is why Aunt Jennifer is not feeling comfortable and she becomes nervous. So whenever she was doing any work, her hands were shaking. So now the third stanza is going to be start, and in the second line one word is here, ordeals. So ordeal means the commands or the orders given by the husband all the time. And mastered means controlled. And again, panel means screen or the cloth on which the embroidery has been done. Last line, prancing again moving. Proud and unafraid means they are not having any fear. Proud again with full attitude. So now I am going to explain. The writer is thinking that Aunt Jennifer would be even not free even after her death. Her soul would be not free even after her death, because throughout the life she has been controlled by the husband. She was blindly following all the orders or command given by the husband. So even after her death, she would be not free from the fear. Even her soul would be not liberal even in the grave. That is why the poet has intentionally used this word ringed. Ring here symbolizes handcuff, which enslaves Aunt Jennifer all her life and makes her a frightened and scared soul. So, the poet has used this word ringed just to show the poor condition of the Aunt Jennifer. And even after her death, the creation would be moving without any fear, full of attitude. Means there will be no effect on the tigers. Though these tigers are created by weak aunt. Aunt was not liberal. She was not given any liberty to fulfill her desires throughout her life. But the tigers which she has created, they are not having any fear in their mind, and they will be free even after the death of Aunt Jennifer.